I am Anindita Chakraborty, the proprietor of Gestalt Interiors. I have been using Sylvanply for the past 7 years, and I have always been satisfied with it. Especially Sylvanply and Sylvan 710 are very good for using in interior purposes. Both the plies have 5 layers of rate coat so that they have a fine and strong grip, which also make it last for a long time. The plies undergoes a termite treatment, and so there is no risk of a termite in the plies. It being a water boiling ply, that make it a water resistant also. I have used these plies in many of my projects like Rosedale, Silver Oak, Astor Tower, DLF, Eden City, etc. And it always make my clients satisfied. Being an interior designer, I can say that from a carpenter or a technician point of view, these are very good and satisfying ply. Thank you.